In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Hostinger auto-renewal, ensuring you have full control over your subscription and payments. To begin, the first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Go to the Hostinger website and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing all your services. Here, you'll want to look for and click on the Billing tab from the top menu. The Billing section provides an overview of your current plan and payment details. It's the place where you can manage all aspects related to billing, including auto-renewal settings. Within the Billing section, find and select Payment Methods. Here, you'll be able to see the methods linked to your account. This section allows you to add, remove, or update your payment options. Most importantly, it shows you the active payment method, which is crucial to managing auto-renewals. Next, locate the Auto-renewal option within your payment methods. This option is typically associated with your active subscription. You need to click on it to view or manage the settings related to the auto-renewal feature. Once you have accessed the auto-renewal settings, you'll see the option to deactivate it. Go ahead and turn off the toggle switch. It's important to note that disabling auto-renewal doesn't immediately cancel your current subscription. Instead, it ensures that your subscription won't automatically renew at the end of its current term. After you turn off auto-renewal, make sure to save any changes. Double-check that the toggle is indeed off. Sometimes changes might not stick if you forget this crucial step. Hostinger often emphasizes the importance of confirming these types of changes, so take a few moments to ensure everything is set as you intended. Once all changes have been made, you'll want to log out of your account. This is a simple click on the profile icon usually found in the top right corner, followed by selecting the Logout option. Logging out is a good security practice after making important changes to your account settings. It ensures your account remains secure and that no one else can access your details or undo your changes. In conclusion, by following these steps, you've successfully disabled Hostinger's auto-renewal feature. If you have further questions or encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger's customer support for assistance. They can provide additional guidance or answer any concerns you might have regarding your account. Taking control of your subscription settings is a great way to manage your digital expenditures effectively. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more informative guides.